Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. In this video we will quickly look into the opening of the Yamaha Fasino to set up hazard lights, OEM bulb replacement to LEDs, stock flasher relay replacement to a LED flasher. I will divide the videos in few parts. In my next video I will cover bar end light setup and installation of headlamp switch. This is the light emitted from the stock turn signal bulbs. Remove the following screws and bolts to remove the front center cover. 2 screws located at the back. And these 2 bolts in the front. To open the headlamp case, open the following screws. 2 screws out here. Now these on the either side of the casing. Gently open the headlight case, removing the headlight and parking light connectors. Now remove the case via the brake lever. To access the rear signals or the stop lights, you need to remove the following bolts. Remove the petrol cap. Also there is a fuel drain tube below the panel which you need to remove before taking this panel out. Turn bulb holder counterclockwise to remove it out. Remove the bulb from the bulb holder by pressing in and turning counterclockwise. Turn signal bulbs on the Yamaha Fasino uses the BAU 15S type holder. On this Fasino I am using high power amber yellow 33 SMD 2835 LED bulbs. To install the new bulb, press in and turn clockwise. Install the turn signal bulb holder by turning clockwise. Remove the OEM flasher relay which is located next to the battery and replace it with an adjustable LED flasher to stop hyperflashing. These high quality LED bulbs are longer in length, approximately 39 mm, and it will be difficult to put it back. But if you have a shorter LED bulb, you don't have to follow this procedure. Again, if you get the longer LED bulbs, you'll need to open the full front cover, removal of which is easy and I will show you. Get these two bolts out. And all these screws which I'm pointing at, I've already removed the screws to speed up the video. Now we have ample of space to put back the LED. A rectangular hole after taking the measurement from the hazard switch has been made in the panel. Also, you can put a bit of quick fix or epoxy to secure the switch. This is a 3-pin hazard switch where the middle wire goes to the letter L of LED relay, and the other two wires can be connected either into the left or the right positive terminal of turn signal coupler. Links to buy the adjustable LED flasher relay and hazard switch will be provided in the description below. Connect the middle wire from the hazard switch to the L of the LED relay.
Let's go.
Any one of the wire from the 3-pin hazard switch except the middle wire will go into the positive terminal of the turn signal coupler as shown. Installation is in the reverse order of removal. See that you fix the petrol drain tube. That will be all in the first part of this video. Hope this video helps you. In the second part I will cover bar and DRL turn signal lights setup in the Yamaha Fasino. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And guys, please subscribe, like, hit the bell icon and ride safe.